Hey everybody, my name is David and this is Kluge Tech Time, where we talk drones, technology, and all kinds of cool fun things. Today we have some announcements from Yuneec coming out of CES 2018 in Las Vegas. We have new updates to the Typhoon, we have an FPV Racer, and we have a fixed wing aircraft. So stick around and we'll get into all the details. Alright guys, well thanks for sticking around. If you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. We have all kinds of content already out there talking about drones and technology, and we have a lot more plans to come. So today we're talking Yuneec. They are a drone manufacturer that is a competitor to DJI, although they have really struggled against DJI. They have a new product that they have announced, which is a second generation version of their Typhoon. This is the Typhoon H Plus. Now this one is going to be able to compete a little bit closer with the current generation Phantom because they have now upgraded the optics on it. They have upgraded it to a 1-inch sensor, very similar to what's on the Phantom 4 Pro. It will do 4K at 60 frames per second. It has a 23mm lens on it. Now they say that it will be 40% quieter. It'll be stable in up to 30-mile-an-hour winds. And like the previous generation of the Typhoon, it has retractable landing gear so that the gimbal is free to do 360 and get imagery from all around. Now they say that they are using Intel RealSense technology for their object avoidance technology. They are now including an upgraded controller to go with the device that is actually Android based, has a 7-inch display on it, and can display 720p HD video. So that is the Yuneec Typhoon H Plus. It really seems like it's just upgraded to match the current generation of DJI Phantom 4 Pro. I don't know that if DJI comes out with a new version of the Phantom coming up sometime in the near future, whether the Typhoon is really going to be able to compete with that or not, but we'll see. It looks like it's going to be about $1,800 when it comes out, retail price $1,799. And I think it will be coming out in the spring, so we will see what it looks like then. So the second announcement that Yuneec came out with is that they have announced a HD FPV, a first-person video racer, that is going to be priced at about $179. It is expected in the second half of 2018. It's going to have HD video link. You'll have up to 300 feet, about 91 meters of range. As of this recording, I couldn't find specific speed ratings for it. It will have a 6-minute flight time based off of a 1S battery that has 550 milliamp hours, would be a LiPo. So it's not going to be crazy fast. It's not going to have crazy distance. But it's going to be easy to fly. It's going to have built-in flight stabilization. You'll be able to switch between beginner and advanced mode. It'll have video transmission. The transmission will be in 720p, but you can record in up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. It'll have a 13 megapixel camera that has a 117-degree field of view lens on it. It's approximately 5 inches by 5 inches, so it's not real big. You know, probably about the size of your hand, I guess. So at $179.99, we're talking about a toy here, right? It only has 300 feet of range, has 6 minutes flight time, only weighs about 2.3 ounces. So that is the HD Racer from Yuneec. So the third item that Yuneec has announced is not a copter at all. It's not a quadcopter or a hexacopter. It's actually a fixed wing aircraft, and they're calling it the Firebird. It will be able to go up to 52 miles an hour. GPS built into it, so it'll have all the kind of features that go with that in terms of return to home, auto landing, geofencing, and those sorts of things. It'll have a camera that seems very similar to what is going to be on the HD Racer, but it will be able to go up to 4K, unlike the HD Racer. The HD Racer only goes to 1080p. The Firebird is going to go to 4K. 13 megapixel stills. It'll have an f2.5 aperture and a 117-degree field of view for the camera. As I mentioned, it will come with FPV goggles so that you can fly it from an actual FPV point of view. And it will come in at a pretty hefty price of $699, so $700. So those are the 3 updates we have from Yuneec for 2018 at CES. So I am curious, what do you guys think of Yuneec's announcements? You impressed? Are you disappointed? What do you think? All right, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it was useful for you. We have all kinds of content still coming. For those of you guys who are hanging around for more Spark content, DJI Spark content, don't worry, I haven't given up on that. We are just in the middle of CES 2018 and we have lots of new technology being announced. So want to make sure you guys know what's out there. That way you guys can be informed of what you might want in the future. So all kinds of fun toys. I wish I could take 3 of everything, right? So anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and leave us a comment. How's Yuneec doing? How are we doing? We'll catch you on another video soon. Have a great day. See you.